The Bible describes it as a place of everlasting fire, place of torment, where there will be weeping and gnashing of teeth, where souls are tormented day and night forever. Join Pastor Emerita Barqueros as she shares vital informations that every person should know, revelations that will stand you, plus the terrifying screams that scientists heard as they were drilling to what they believe are the gates of hell.
Nakakatakot. Kasi yung sound talagang alam mong galing sa hell.
This is no horror story.
Yung pinakamalakas na shout doon na maririnig mo, yun yung shout nung taong nagising siya. Hell is real. I'm here.
This is reality. Hear what they have heard and discover that hell is real.
Makinig po kayong mabuti. Ang cover po ng Discover magazine noong August 2002 ay nagtanong, what's really at the center of the earth? Ayon po sa ating pinag-aralan, alam po natin kung ano talaga ang nasa gitna ng daigdig. Jesus told us, there is a lake of fire with millions of people burning, weeping, screaming, wailing, and gnashing of teeth. Sa isa pong kilalang newspaper sa Finland, ay nag-appear po ito. Ang sabi po ng isang scientist named Dr. Asakov, as a communist, I don't believe in heaven or the Bible. But as a scientist, I now believe in hell. Needless to say, we were shocked to make such a discovery. But we know that we saw and we know what we heard. And we are absolutely convinced that we drilled through the gates of hell. Ang kwento po niya, nung nagdidrill o nagbabarena po sila ng lupa, bigla po itong umikot ng sobrang bilis. Ang ibig sabihin, mayroon po silang nahukay o naabot na empty space o parang butas ng kuweba. Yun pong pangkuha nila ng temperature ay sumobra ang increase ng init to 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit. Ang ginawa po nila, nagbaba po sila ng microphone na designed para po ma-detect nila ang tunog ng mga plate movements sa ilalim. Pero imbes na plate movements ang marinig po nila, ang narinig po nila ay human voice screaming in pain. Akala po nila, yun pong sound ay nanggagaling lamang sa kanila pong mga equipment. Pero nung gumawa po sila ng adjustment, ang masama po nilang suspicion ay na-confirm. Ang sabi po nila, the screams were not those of a single human. They were the screams of millions of humans. Ang narinig daw po nila ay ang mga sigaw, hindi ng isang tao lamang, kung hindi milyon-milyong tao ang sumisigaw. Sa ilang saglit, iparirinig po namin sa inyo ang real audio recording na nagke-claim ng actual recording ng actual sounds of hell. Again, pinaalalahanan ko lamang po kayo. This may scare you. So I pray and plead the blood of Jesus to cover you and protect you. di po ba? Kung tutuusin, ang sound po na narinig ninyo ay filtered na sapagkat hinigop lang po ito at narinig mula sa isang microphone. Pero try to imagine kung actual sound na po ito sa loob ng impyerno mismo ang maririnig mo day and night forever and ever.